Let's see what's going on here. Strong buying. I think we're bullish all day. Yeah, we're definitely bullish. So damn, it's ripping. We'll probably pull back down to this area. All right, I think that one's a pass. I just need a little bit. I'm pretty sure that's the case. Let me just double check. Okay, let's go to one of my other accounts. Okay. Coffee's a little better. So I think I have enough for almost 4 payout on that one. I don't know if I hit the target or not, but I'm trying to check right now for my funded. Let's see if this area breaks right here. Let's move that. Let's go. Yeah, I just want to get an idea of kind of what we're looking at. We have strong buying here. Okay. So I technically have absorption up here, so let me just. This right here is a prime example of this heating up, that this was going to go. And it exploded. I should be able to get a payout on this one. Just give me 1 second. I'm just pulling up that chart. Oops. So stop loss up there where it failed. 365, and then we'll do. $360, 600. Yeah, base 720. This will be good. And we gotta look at is, oops, go here, profile chart. Let's go here. Just check out the profile chart. It's always a good thing to check out. We're definitely bullish. We came above value yesterday, then we pushed even higher. So shorts are not what I want to be taking, for sure. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna close my position probably. And that's why. It's alright. I wanted a small little scalp down here. It's just a strong area, but we'll see. Long's is the way to go. Area I'm looking at, probably somewhere in here. Probably somewhere in here. Value low. This is, I'm gonna move this out of the way. Open that. That's probably gonna go to this area. Build some profit for the day. CVD's building, so we're just going to take longs here. Whatever the State of the Union speech they must have liked last night, for the market kind of just go up all night. They must have thought it was nothing but good news coming out of that, which it may have been. I didn't listen to the whole thing. But that could have very been stuff that actually relatable to why the market's doing what it's doing today. Because it's kind of a direction of where the country's going and how they're handling certain issues and what they're going to do to go forward. They're kind of keeping everyone updated. See if we close higher. We're gonna go to this area right here, most likely, which is 338.75. We could climb. Yeah, it's not that far away into this area. Like right around here. This is where we're gonna climb. This could be in the morning either. It could be just right now, just strong push, and then things could fizzle out at the end. So what I'll do is I'll do. Yep. I know it's scary going long up above here, but we still have a lot of area to fill into, especially from that previous day where we kind of. I'm talking about this day over here. You can see it. The short day we finally filled into this, and this is going to be where the most volumes are distributed along. You can hear. So what I could do now is just I'll protect myself here, because if we just continue to climb and CVD is still getting stronger, then we could see this just keep pushing. I don't know, but why? But if you were to give an honest opinion where it's probably going to go, it's probably going to go up to that area. 338. And it might not even have a pullback. It might just go straight up there. Just the way it's moving this morning. But we'll see by 15 minutes. Maybe I'll exit the position. Because when 15 minutes clocks in, they could do something in mind of their own. I'll put it underneath here. We keep on pushing. Auction keeps going higher. You see this? They're getting more interested as this is going higher. It is going to 338. This is where the POC from, I don't know what day that is, but you're seeing even more interaction going right here. There's probably a resting limit order here. But if you look at this, the volume's getting stronger and stronger. I might pull back into this area and then go back even higher. But 300 is going to be a super strong area magnet. But you're looking right here. This is the POC. Look from here to here. It's somewhere in this area. Yep.
Can you give me my phone?
Yeah. And that's how we manage a trade right there. You just keep. So we're up 745 at this point. It's gonna go. Like I said, I think it's gonna go all the way through 38. We'll just keep put it here, 880. As this closes below here, we can move here, and we're just gonna keep managing this trade looks like this, and then we should be able to get out here soon. CBD still is not as confident. They're a little less, but they're still pushing on the gas. And I'm gonna exit out of this position. I'm gonna exit there. Call it a day. It's perfect exit. 338. That's what I'm calling it's going. Great trade. One of my accounts. I think I'm gonna get a pay on the other account because it just needed like one more small win. Okay, so if we start from, this is something I've been kind of like watching and backtesting recently on my off time. We go to
That was my iPad.
the which one, babe?
The iPad.
The iPad? I'll put it on the charger, babe.
Huh?
I'll put it on the charger. I'm testing this, so if we break, he wants the iPad. If we break this, since we broke it, the 15-minute, you have between this area and this area, so we could. I'd wait till it tests these two areas in order to get along. If you're on the orb strategy, that's something I've been watching. Oops, it'll be this or this. That was a fantastic trade. Easy, simple. One trade on that one done. This one I got $100 because that's all I needed. Yeah, very easy day. We'll see what happens. Maybe I might trade a little bit more. Another account, I was only hitting at that little over 1,000 because it's zeros on my funded, so I have to stay with them now. So we're showing a little bit of steam dying down here. It's kind of getting less and less as we come up here, so we'll see. We could pull back into this area or this area for longs again. That'd be the orb. And did we go to 38? No, we didn't. 38.25. I'm pretty sure that's the number. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's 42. I just want to get the exact number. 43. Maybe that's what it is. Okay.
Never notice it. I need you to accept my request.
Somewhere right around here. 43. at that. We touched 43, and I knew it was going to go even higher. You need to get ready though for school, bud.
I wanted to play with Taylor, so that's why.
Playing Roblox.
Go
Oh,
get on the charger. Ask Dad already put it.
Eddie,
Yes. We need, babe.
where'd you put my iPad?
The iPad.
Where's my iPad?
Your turn. I'm just gonna play for a little bit, and then we gotta get ready for school. Okay. Now we're gonna see probably some resistance here. Huh?
You didn't plug it.
Let me see.
Oh, it's still dead.
Hold on a second.
Hello? So, you wanna play Roblox? Huh?
You wanna play Roblox?
I'm gonna join you, but I'm not sure if you can join.
Okay, I'm not in the server now.
You guys can
Wait,
tell.
can I join?
Let's play like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, because we gotta get ready for school.
Oh, no, never mind.
Alright, I did. Do you have any good stuff on your thing?
Hey, run away from me.
I'm gonna join.
Yeah, we're gonna see resistance between. This is where the
I'm playing on my iPad.
up here. This is where the point of control is from.
With the beam. Turn a little, the beam. Butter,
Okay, join me.
Butter, can you join this one? Butter, can you join this one?
Yeah, hold on. Challenge join me. It's not showing you're in.
Are you playing this? Butter?
He's talking to. So he's talking.
Oh. Wait, this is what you Wait, go to my answer figure? Go to my answer figure?
No, wait, hold on.
Hey, that's my main one. That's my main one. Yeah.
Oh my god, you're so dumb, Tess. Why would you join a public?
Sorry. Oh! Dang! No! Those are my... Hey!
I can't. Bro, your iPad is active. Yeah.
Dang. Oh! Hey! Hit him. You hit him now.
So if we merge those,
He's there. He's right there. Oh my god.
value broke above there.
Trying to... Those
Well, the value are high.
Well, and you got your brain
I
rot.
push high here, so
Tom, can I join you?
No.
yeah. So what did I say was gonna be resistance up here? We're gonna probably come down into this area or this area, and then continue up higher.
Look, that's my active figure. And then you go to my active figure.
Reset my window real quick.
Today 99255.
Go to my active figure right now.
255.
Not too shabby.
Am I in town? You see my base? I know. 4:35 now.
Connected.
Bro, the Taquerita Bichico Terror. Yeah.
Connected.
Wait, let me see where they're at in index.
Exit.
Okay.
It's by my less spooky combos are better, but and my less mobilies.
Are you trying? Are you doing this?
Oh my god.
They're still pushing. CV's still getting stronger, so
This?
we'll see if absorption
Oh
naps
my
up here.
freaking god.
Like I said, there was gonna be support up here, resistance up here. Sorry,
Bro, I'm trying to. I need
between
to rebuild
38
so I
and
can get the
43,
third
45.
story.
Fun.
And if you look, I don't know how
But
that
the money's
race, but
actually so tough too.
let's go here.
It makes 50 million.
Go to, I think it's 45. I think that's 45.
How much Robux do you have to
Value high, point of control.
I was gonna see if you could give me a magic for
So we might go somewhere right around here, bounce off here, and go higher.
Bro, I want the
But yeah,
freaking
that's
the-
pretty much.
the goblin one. That thing's so fun. I know it's aura. Oh yeah, those things are rare. Wait, wait, can I index them? I swear I won't skim. I'll have my base open so you can see. Tell Cuddy to join so he can take his stuff. But don't, bro, if you take anything else, I'm gonna crash out on you. Oh my god, I actually like it so hard. Oh my god. Talon, can you make sure he doesn't steal anything else?
Who? You talking about Tail?
His brother.
Ah.
Oh my god, I'm lagging hella hard. Yeah, I don't know how my internet's so bad. Yeah, my internet's connected. It's so hard to even just get on it.
Oh, when you get over to
Go ahead, take it. arena or make a base? What do you say? What do you say? Wait, Talon. You should have kept the Esoc. Wait, maybe there's a new ritual for the Esocs.
Butter.
I don't know what if there is.
I know
It
how
just
to
didn't
go
make one.
on the second floor.
Hold on, excuse me, Tim. Can you move off the mark for it? Can you move a little bit over here? Thank you.
This morning was pretty much done. It's the first 30 minutes, and we might have a reaction after 7, but it's really not worth the.
Yeah.
There's absorption up here. You can see strong push and absorb. A little more absorption, and then you're trying to get some fallout through here. So, like set up in that area, you'll probably get cells, and then you might see it pull back maybe like this or this. Point of control, maybe the point of control, I'm not even sure. And the reason I say that is because we already touched the higher form of point of control, so yeah, maybe we might call it a day at that point and come back maybe for like a little bit after lunch session when price might move a little bit more. But at this point, there's no real edge. The move we already was pushed up, so
Hey, Butter. Are you playing this game?
going long, boom, expansion. I went long like somewhere
Oh, yeah, that's my friend.
right around here. I think it was. Yeah, it was
Like,
perfect long. I was long this morning.
wait, we just camped there?
I don't think I could have gone any better with like Barry Menwood. Went long right here.
Oh, that's gonna work.
My stop
Bro, wait for
was
that
like
freaking, what's his name?
right there.
Hold on.
And my target was somewhere like right around here. I think it was.
Joey.
Basically 1 to 4.
Yeah.
What was it? What?
Yeah.
The what?
At this point, it's not worth the trade.
The haircut?
We're stuck at a POC. We already finished the first part of the move, so it's best just to
Am I in your game?
walk away at this point.
Yeah.
Go have some breakfast. Look at what I'm gonna do, and then maybe come back for maybe a little bit later. Like I said, we touched this here. See perfectly. See? There's the area I had marked.
I mean, it
It's just
depends.
right there. So technically above value. We'll see if
Black
value
jeans tough.
is technically down here. So,
Those are the only tough jeans are black.
but I can merge all these. Like the ones I can merge together are.
What color are the jeans?
This merge like that.
Oh, hell no. Like, what's it called? If
Once
you,
we broke
I never
that,
wear blue jeans when I wear.
87.25.
Oh yeah. Shit ass. Fungi. Oh yeah.
There's somewhere right here. Yeah, that was value add. Once we broke past that, that's when things started expanding. There was lots of buy orders there, so that makes sense. Okay.
Bro, where's Skoda? I'm trying to give him a step.
So at this point, I think we take a break. It still might be a good move in the next 30 minutes to an hour, but we've already expanded so far up. If you look on the charts, it was just a solid move. They caught this morning longs. If you didn't, then it wasn't worth it. But see here, we expanded higher, closed below value, right into the middle point control. Try to expand higher, failed, closed below value. So almost closed above value here, and then we went all the way down and closed above value. So going to the next point of control. So now, our next target, if we keep on climbing the next few days, we could even go up to
Yeah, I'm
here.
just gonna Tyler, do you want the what's it called?
That's what we could do.
Oh my god. You want Los Noma hotspots?
Oh yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Butter, can you join this real quick? Butter, whoa.
Yeah, so we'll see what happens here. We close on a good gap, so we're definitely gonna see, like I said, resistance up
If you
here.
want the Legrande, or actually, I'm gonna use this
Like I said,
for like when
and
he does,
then
when he does like the next
see it come to
combos,
here
like,
or here.
I'm gonna use this because he always does.
I've been kind of studying. I don't know how valid, but this back test move has been pretty good. If we break above that, and we retest this. But by bubbles, this could be a good move up here. At least a 2-to-1.
It's probably modded.
And go there.
Potato. Got that gold. It's what's my
His
base.
iPad tweaks so bad.
Holy moly. The Cuesta box. The Cuesta box. Wait, where's my base, Butter?
Okay. Oh, we'll call it here. I'm gonna call it a day. At least for the morning.
Can you do one more?
I'll be
15
back on.
minutes?
Huh?
Can you do one more 15 minutes?
It's already 7:08.
I know.
We gotta leave here in about
Are
30
you going to
minutes.
school?